Hello students, first exercise. Before two problems completed, now third question. Construct an equilateral triangle APE with side 6.5 centimeters. First, draw a line segment AP equal to 6.5 centimeters. So this is here to draw 6.5 centimeters up to here. 6.5 centimeters. AP 6.5 centimeters. This is equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal. Next, PE 6.5 centimeters. Take scale measurement 6.5 centimeters. So this is exactly 6.5 centimeters. With P as center, PE 6.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. And next AE also 6.5 centimeters. With A as center, draw another arc. From P to 6.5 centimeters, one arc. From A to 6.5 centimeters, another arc. Now that intersect point is E. This point is E, capital E, right? Now join this AE and PE. AE and PE. Right measure here 6.5 centimeters and this also 6.5 centimeters. Now steps of constructions. Steps of constructions. Steps of construction. So first point, draw a line segment AB equal to 6.5 centimeters. Draw a line segment AP equal to 6.5 centimeters. Next, second point, with A as center, with A as center, 6.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. With A as center, 6.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point, with P as center, 6.5 centimeters as radius, draw another arc. Next, third point, with P as center, 6.5 centimeters as radius, draw another arc. And next, they intersect at E. They intersecting point E. Next, fifth point, join AE and PE. Join AE and PE. Next, last point, this is the required equilateral triangle. This is required equilateral triangle. Which triangle? APE. Triangle APE. So this is the required triangle, equilateral triangle APE. Fourth question, construct a triangle XYZ in which XY equal to 6 centimeters and YZ equal to 8 centimeters and zx equal to 10 centimeters. Using protractor, find the angle x at x. What type of triangle is this? So given, what are they given in measures? Given that xy equal to 6 centimeters and yz equal to 8 centimeters, xz equal to 10 centimeters. Given measurements. According to given measurements, draw the diagram. First, draw a line segment xy equal to 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Draw a line segment xy equal to 6 centimeters. X, y 6 centimeters. And next yz. This is x, y, z here. YZ 8 centimeters. Take scale measurement 8 centimeters. Exactly 8 centimeters. So don't disturb this one. Again measure will disturb here. With the scale measurements, this is exactly 8 centimeters. With y as center 8 centimeters. Draw an arc. And next xz 10 centimeters. Next with the scale measurements, take centimeters as radius. So this is exactly 10 centimeters. With x as center, draw another arc. Here with x as center, here draw another arc. This point is z, that intersect point is z. Now join yz and xz. Yz and xz. So how is it? How it is figure? So it is here exactly 90 degrees form straight line will be. So it is form 90 degrees means right angle triangle. So what they asking, using protractor. So with check it, use that which type of angle. Now write here yz 8 centimeters, xz 10 centimeters. So with protractor check it, this measure. Here straight line, here one of the line will be, this is intersect point, keep here exactly starting point. See here exactly 90 degrees, this is from 90 degrees, right angle this one here 90 degrees. And see here, observe this measure also. So 55 degrees. This is, so 50 to 60 between angle 55. Here exactly 55. 50 to 60 between angle 55. This is 55 degrees and this one 90 degrees. Now steps of constructions. First one, first point, draw a line segment xy equal to 6 centimeters. Next, second point, with y as center, 8 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point, with x as center, 10 centimeters as radius, draw another arc. Next point, they intersect at z or they meet at z. Next point, join xz and yz. Join xz and yz. So here form a right angle triangle. It is form a right angle triangle. And finally last point, this is required triangle or this is the required right angle triangle XYZ. This is the required right angle triangle XYZ.